Good morning, everyone. Wanted to send you a little video message this morning to let you know that we were just awarded the Bob Lazarus Unsung Hero Award at the Community Shelter Board Founder Award Breakfast. And this is a great honor for Lower Lights. It recognizes the work that we've done for over a year now at the Shelter for Isolation and Quarantine. So I wanted you to know that how valued the work that you do is by our larger community. Often the work you do can go unrecognized, and that was not the case today. And I think this is a great honor, and especially appropriate for National Health Center Week when we celebrate the great work that community health centers do, especially Lower Lights Christian Health Center. I want to recognize a group of folks that work here that really have worked tirelessly, have shown leadership and dedication and helped in many different ways. Staff, the Shelter for Isolation and Quarantine, and I've got a little list because I want to make sure I don't forget anybody. But I really want to recognize Elizabeth Drake, Christine Smith, Jordan Singh, Dr. Hartman, Karen O'Brien, Dina Campbell and Christy Leisure, who were the RNs that spent many, many hours and still do at the SIQ and caring for our patients there. Sue Rowe, Olivia Valentine, Dr. Dolph, Stephanie Erb, Terica Zimmerman, Steve Myers, who had the pleasure of moving at least 2 or 3 times and never complained. John Aller and Chelsea Parker, who went above and beyond to make sure that our patients there had the medication they needed. And then I want to give a very special thanks to 2 people in particular. Liz Williams stepped up right away and took this just huge leadership role in the Shelter for Isolation and Quarantine, spent countless hours, made personal sacrifices to be there, and really made Lower Lights and our reputation shine with the partners there on site and the partners in the wider community. So I cannot thank her enough. I also want to thank Anita Thompson, our medical assistant. She has been there from the very beginning. We were having some difficulty finding a medical assistant that was able to help us at the SIQ. She raised her hand right away, was willing to be flexible, even has a long commute and never complains, is there today, just really came through for us when we needed her, both Liz Williams and Anita. So a special thank you to those 2 in particular, and thanks to all of you for serving our patients every day. Happy National Health Center Week, Day 2.